Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create your own resume. Let's go ahead and look for a job role. So let's say we choose this job right here. So it's a software engineering role. Here are the descriptions about it, what they want. So it's usually, we have some informations. We have the responsibilities that we want, salary, benefits, and all of those. Okay, and as you can see, take a note as well in terms of the education themselves. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into ChatGPT, and we have to give a little bit of information about ourselves. So let's say I have zero experience in software engineering role, looking for a job, and this is my first job. Where do I begin? So as you can see right here, to begin with your software engineering role, here are the things that you have done. And then as we saw earlier on in the job description, we need to have a diploma of higher education. So say for example, we do match all of those. So we need to go ahead and talk to ChatGPT. So we have a few conversation to say I finished my studies in high school with subjects in computer science, physics, and maths. I have also, so say if you have a project that you have done as well, so I have generated apps for, say, I don't know, tic-tac-toe app, database app, a game app using Unreal. So here we go. So you're conversing with ChatGPT here. As you can see, it is replying back in terms of what information you have given it already. You're looking for an engineering role, and here are the experiences that you have, and of course, ChatGPT would give you a feedback, or it'll converse back in terms of what else you can do, how you can get into the um, software engineering role. And as you can see, remember to tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight your relevant skills, blah blah blah. And then let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT, can you write me a resume? And here you go, just like that, giving it all of the information that you have. ChatGPT has managed to create this resume already. So the objectives, the educations, as you can see here, all of this high school diplomas that we have mentioned. Also, it also takes a look at some programming languages that you may have had. And here are the projects that you have told ChatGPT. So you develop a tic-tac-toe app, a database app, a game app as well using Unreal, and then experiences, certifications, additional information as well. So let's say that you want to tell ChatGPT more about yourself. Say for example, I have taken extracurricular activities such as playing basketball and chess. I've taken tournaments. I've joined some tournaments in basketball. I have taken what else? free classes online on learning Python and C#. Then say I took a 2-week internship learning about using Maya. So, you're conversing with ChatGPT. Can you update my resume? And here you go. So here you are. So it's still the same structure, but as you can see, it's updated new information about it, and also updated your skills and experiences, and also the extracurricular activities and online learning. But if you recall from the role that you have taken, we can also adjust it towards that. So I have found a job that I want to apply for. Here are the relevant information. So let's go ahead and copy these. And then we go down. Can you create a resume tailored for this? Here we are. And here you are. So it just created a resume tailored towards the role that we have done. We can also ask it, say for example, can you create a cover letter for this? And there you go. So simple as that. We've managed to create our resume and also our cover letter just so quickly using ChatGPT. There you go. So I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Let's not forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.